Hey guys, what's up? How to join private server links on mobile in Roblox. Go ahead and open up your browser. Okay, move forward to search for private servers, and that will help us access the private servers on Roblox. Okay, I'm gonna open up right here the search results. Okay, and I'm gonna join the private servers. Let's have an example, this one. Make sure to log in using your account, and here it says open this page in Roblox. Go ahead and open it up. Okay, and you're gonna be able to join manually. And if it didn't work, if the link doesn't work, ask the server owner for the server name and join through the game's servers tab. Okay, you can go ahead and search it for the tab right here at the top right next to home. If that didn't work out, you can go back. Let me join another community. Okay, let's say fish, and I'm gonna open it up and join. Okay, it says right here I don't have a permission. You can ask always. You can ask the owner to basically give you access to that server. Okay, so make sure to join community, right, and to check the newest links. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.